Yep.
That's good.
Okay, so today at the Law House, we're cutting slots in the vents for the floor. You see there's a blade down there. Want to back it up a little bit, Richard, and let's have the blade go up and down. Go ahead, take the blade up there. See that? It's a dado blade. Comes up from underneath a certain amount of times. Okay, crank it back down and let's put the board on there. And what we have on our layout here, we have this little line there on the board that lines up with the mark on the fence of the table saw, right there. And then we go and
Good?
go